This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Josh Holley. Welcome home to this updated 3-bedroom 1.5 bath home located in the highly desired and established Rolling Oaks community in the heart of Somerville. Spacious homesite with shade trees. 24 deep carport with additional concrete parking area. 24 by 14 covered patio and 24 by 12 detached workshop building in the backyard with electricity. Interior offers beautiful hardwood floors throughout, updated baths, granite in kitchen, washer/dryer and refrigerator remain with the home and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Holley at 901-221-4041.